Every single email you have ever sent, every location you have ever searched is currently sitting on a server building a strong profile on you. But today, we are wiping the slate clean. In the next 2 minutes, I'm going to show you the exact hidden step to permanently delete your Gmail and Google account, scrubbing your personal data from their system forever. Let vanish. Most people think logging out of their phones keep them safe. It does not. To cut the cord, you need to go directly to the source. Open your Chrome browser, look up at the top right corner, and click your profile icon. From that menu, select Manage your Google account. You are now inside the main control center. Google intentionally hide the permanent delete button deep in the settings, but here is the ultimate hack. Click the search box and simply type the word delete. You will see two options. If you just want to delete the Gmail address but keep your YouTube active, click delete Google service. Scroll down to the Gmail and hit the trash icon next to the Gmail. Done. Your Gmail is gone forever. But if you are ready to completely pull the plug on your entire Google ecosystem, then click delete your Google account and enter your password for the one last time and hold on for a second. Scroll all the way to the bottom, read the warning carefully, accept the term and condition, check the two confirmation boxes, and click delete account, and your entire Google account is gone. No more. Your digital footprint is officially scrapped. Now that your old data is completely gone, if you want me to make a video on how to secure your new data and hide your IP address, let me know in the comment section. Do hit subscribe button for more informative videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.